Hello everyone, and welcome to Best Gadget. In this video, we will unbox, test and review the TX Wireless Backup Camera Kit. As you can see, it comes with good package. This device is equipped with stable digital signal 5-inch monitor and rear view camera for cars, pickups, trucks, minivans, campers, small RVs, easy to install and simple to use. Let's open the box and check what included in. At the same time we will talk about it. Perfect 5-inch LCD monitor, larger than the ordinary 4.3 inches monitor, easier to get clear and full view. Smaller than 7 inches monitor, won't block your any spot. The perfect size for your journey. The wireless backup camera system apply to most of vehicles like truck, trailer, RV, SUV, van, etc. Stable, vivid image and built-in transmitter with digital wireless transmission. Our rear view camera delivers a stable image without any interference from other signals such as Bluetooth. Our camera provides a vivid picture and built-in transmitter, which restores what you see behind your car directly. Enhanced drive safety. The license plate rear view camera is equipped with infrared lights allowing night vision at darkness that you won't miss any details. With built-in HD digital image processor and CCD sensor, the monitor provides clear images, also with functions for turning on/off guidelines and etc. Long using lifetime. The wireless backup camera temperature resistant is from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 139 degrees Fahrenheit that can bear up any tough weathers to achieve long lifetime. It is universally compatible with vehicles of voltage 12 to 24 volts DC power such as cars, SUV, RVs, pickups, campers, minivans, semi-trailer or trailer etc. Wireless design for easy installation. There is no need to run wires from the camera to the monitor because of the wireless signals transmission. This design makes it easier to install and makes the installation faster and simple. The wireless feature makes the installation easier. One-step installation design, plug and use. The rear view camera kit can be easily installed. Coming with a suction cup car mount, the monitor can be set directly on dashboard or windshield.